Hello everyone, welcome back. It is hot as hell. The season is so hot, it's very humid out here. So I thought I'll show you some products which are very essential for us this summer. I have been using these products and it's working out for me. I hope they work out on you as well. So the first product here is for people with oily skin. So this is a face wash by Simple. It's for oil control and clearer skin. My sister has been using this. It has been working out very well for her. The second product is what I have been using. This is a foaming face wash by Clean and Clear. This also says for people who have pimples and all of that. I don't have any of that, but this one works very well for me. Doesn't dry out my skin at all. Then the next product is another face wash by Bioderma. So this one is another face wash for oily skin, but it works for dry skin people as well. It's amazing. It works out very well. So you can pick up any of the ones I mentioned before. Then again, there's another face wash. So if you're somebody who gets tan more often, you can use this one. This is by Dot & Key. It has vitamin C. It's a foaming face wash. I like this one. It's good. If you're into foaming face washes, then go for this one. Then we have a sunscreen. So these are the two sunscreens I use regularly, but I cannot find the other one. I don't know where that is. This one's the Kumkumadi sunscreen. This is by Tac, the Ayurveda & Co. This has SPF of 50. It is a broad spectrum, UVA, UVB, PA+++. So this is how it is. It is completely natural. This one is very good. I have been using this since about 2 years now. This one's really nice. I like this. And there's another one by Sunscoop. That is also very nice. I use the liquid formula of Sunscoop. It's amazing. No white cast, nothing. And no tan. You will surely see that instead of having a 90% tan, you will maybe have a 50% tan. So, there's a lot of reduction. So you will love it. I'm definite that you will love it. Then I have two types of deodorant. So this one is the Nivea. This is the fresh natural. It lasts for 48 hours. And when they say 48, it does last for me. Since I've been traveling, I can tell you it lasts for 48 hours. And also this has ocean extracts. This one's nice. This one smells fresh. It's good. Keeps you fresh throughout the heat. Then the next one is a roll-on deodorant by Body Wise. This one has 4% of AHA, BHA in it, and it smells good. It's amazing. It lasts you. I hope you guys like my video. Do subscribe to my channel and show me some love.